there and
Oh, I just started recording it.
I had something stuck to my ass.
Oh.
I sat on that step and I was like, ah. And I told your mother, I'm like, is there something stuck to my ass? She's like, no.
No, hold up.
Oh! See right there, and then you get something.
Yeah.
Oh. CJ's it.
Yeah, buddy. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Look.
Where's my flip?
Get it off. Come on, walk forward.
Oh!
Get it. Now you can get it. See, they should have did that one when they let off the other one that was right there.
Oh,
Then it
yeah.
would have looked pretty. Would have made it look like something. What happened, buddy? Nothing.
Kenneth, you just messed up my shot, you know that?
Right?
Your fat head. Come look at it. Come
Yo! I got video. Oh my
No,
goodness.
you can't ever sip of this. Go on the back porch, right? I know. And the first
Oh! Oh! More!
How much do I get?
Yes! You serious? Go get a trash bag. Go get a trash bag. Go get a trash bag instead. Where the $5 at, Greg? You know how you be doing.
He be just getting you and then you gonna get nothing.
Saying shit.
Right? And you don't get nothing. This is good. I'm glad I got a video camera. Oh
My phone's dead. I wish my phone wasn't dead.
Yo,
Did you check and see if it's still...
Yeah, it's like, it's only got like one bar. It's still red.
Damn. It's like the moment you take it off... You got a car charger? Maybe you can charge
My
it.
car charger broke the wire. It's like you can see the
Finally decided to
wires.
come
Oh,
outside.
damn.
I mean,
Manuela's out.
Fireworks is done.
I have an hour
I'm on time
and almost 30 minutes of recording time.
Last year we
You can put that on YouTube that long? Oh yeah, because
Oh.
YouTube you can as long as you want.
It's
right?
like the more videos you make, the more time you get. So I have 30 something videos. I can do up to half an hour a video now.
Oh, that's cool.
I have like 30 something subscribers. Ooh.
You better get that one.
Yeah, definitely getting that. I didn't stop recording. Oh! Nice! Look at that on the ground, in the sky. Damn, look at that. I just fell on my hair.
Really?
Yeah, right? Oh, it's crackling and everything. Yeah! Finalized. Alright, man. You record it?
You went right to Gigi.